you everyone know that Claude Fable is officially back. But if you want to try in Claude Code, you need to pay it, and which is expensive. You everyone know that. Okay. Then in today's video, I'll show you the way that you can use Claude Fable for free, where you can get monthly reward and daily reward without wasting time. Choose any of the browser that you are currently using and search for Tasklet AI. This is the official website. Open it. Then you need to create your account to use its feature. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay. Continue. It will ask set up your organization, give any name which is not a matter, and invite teammate. I don't want to invite now. I'll skip it. Get started. After this all you are ready to use. When you have create your account, you get 30 credit balance and which is a login bonus. Before I will show you the all credit detail, first I will demonstrate which model will be available for free here. You can use Claude Fable, Claude Opus, and all the Anthropic model. Let's try to use Claude Fable. Hi, you can see, hi Navin, what can I help you with today? Which model is it? Which model is it? You can see I'm running on Claude Fable 5. Okay. After that, I will show you all the details about the credit. Here you can see we have get 300 credit. It will take 11 credit for this to response. But at the same time, you can also get agent daily limit. This agent can spend up to 4,000 credit per day. At the same time, you can also get 300 credit as organization credit, and you can also get this 4,000 credit. Then let's try to build one simple project and let's see how much token it will take X to complete it. And here most important things, you can upload any file, you can connect this all the platform, email, Google, Notion, and many will be available here. And at the same time you can also connect your computer. I'll give them the simple prompt just like build a one space shooter game using HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay, let's see. I have give one simple prompt how it will understand, how it will work, and at the same time we'll see how much time it will takes in its performance. Let's wait. Currently it will working. After it will completed, I'll get back to you. I think it will completed our task. Let's try. Press space to start. You can see it will working perfectly. It will build one game for us. And the game is working as perfectly. At the end, its performance is very good. It didn't take too much time to complete. It will just takes 1 minute and 14 seconds to complete this game. And to complete this game, it will take nearly 300 token. And organization token will be expired. Now we have this agent daily limit where we have just spent 7% and it will reset on Thursday 5:45 a.m. Today is the Wednesday. Tomorrow this credit is reset. By this way, you can easily use all the Anthropic model including Claude Fable, Opus, Sonnet. Not only Anthropic, you can also use ChatGPT model and Gemini model as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding.